Good day. Today we're going to do my quick condo drive-through. We're going to do Assabet Ridge, also known as the Regency, up in Marlborough. Marlborough has a number of condo communities as a larger town in this particular area. These condos are young. They are an over 55 community, which means that they all have first floor masters. But these are luxury over 55 community, which means that they also have two-car garages and basements. So I hope you enjoy this ride around. And if you're looking for something for an over 55, but this isn't quite it, reach out to me. I'll help you find the one that works for you. Enjoy the ride.